Back. This has been a while. This is Lennon John from the Bitcoin Airline channel, and today is May the 14th. I've been away since I've been starting my new classes teaching cryptocurrency to new hopeful investors. So I haven't been able to make any new content, and I do apologize for that. But today I'm a little bit free, and it's been a crazy few weeks. So let's get catching up with the Bitcoin report and cryptocurrency report. Let's start back on Saturday when Elon Musk went on Saturday Night Live and to some entertained and to some laid an egg. And Dogecoin was hoped to be pumped to $1 that day, but instead it just went up to 72 cents at highs and it crashed down, but not too much. It crashed down all the way to as low as 45 cents and rebounded to 50 cents. And it almost seems that 50 cents is the new bottom for Dogecoin. And Dogecoin on that day evolved from being a meme coin to actually a coin that could provide some type of functionality in the crypto field. So Dogecoin is not going back to that 4 cents days anymore. Dogecoin is going to evolve and be part, somehow, in some way, being part of the ecosystem. Now let's jump to Monday. Monday, the market was hot. Every coin out there was booming. Bitcoin is hitting almost 60,000. Ethereum reached up to $4,400 almost. And then the world came crashing with Elon Musk tweeted. But before we talk about that, let's talk about today's market right now. Let's see this. Refresh this. Okay, so we find the market today at Friday, May 14th at 8 p.m. And we see that Bitcoin is at $49,000. It's right. You wouldn't think that will be. And I'm going to talk about what happened here. $4,000, Ethereum hanging strong above 4,000. Binance Coin above 600, very great. Dogecoin at 55 cents and keep on going. Watch out for Dogecoin, as I'm going to mention more later in the news. Cardano hovering around it's up $2. Just change it $2. It's its all-time high. Cardano is also benefiting from this week's news. Tether is Tether. XRPs, so the same Polkadot. This just opened up a few days ago, and look, it's already in the top 10 of market in the world. So it's been crazy how the market's been going right now. Let's see if I fix my screen here. Excuse me a second here. There you go. There's my face. Let's get this here. You can see I'm new at this. Float. Top. Okay, there you go. There you go. That's me. Alright, Uniswap, Litecoin, all the markets has been really hovering near its all-time high. Solana, Matrix actually has been the one to survive all this week. Never really faced any crashes due to the news. It kept on rolling. So Polygon has been really good. Shiba Inu, what could I have said? I have some news on that, and the market basically and generally on the green. Okay, so let's go to the market maker news. Okay, Bitcoin plunged 12% after Elon Musk tweets that Tesla will not accept it as payment. 6 o'clock p.m. Actually, it's 7 o'clock. This was actually on Tuesday. On Monday, actually, Elon Musk sent a tweet to his followers asking should it accept Dogecoin as a form of paying currency for its Tesla as a survey. And that caused excitement in the market, but no one expected that the next day Elon will tweet something like this. Just give me this light here. It's bothering me. That's better. Sorry about that. Okay. Let's see if I can find a tweet here. So I'm not going to promote the tweet. It's been crazy. So I'm going to say the price of Bitcoin as nosedive after Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that his company was suspending plans to accept cryptocurrency as payment for electric cars. Bitcoin was down 12% as of 6:50 a.m. ET on Thursday, bringing the coin price down to 49,300, which we see today still at the 4,900 level, according to cryptocurrency news website CoinDesk. Other digital currencies followed Bitcoin lower, with Ethereum losing 40% and Dogecoin shedding nearly 20%. Musk cited that Bitcoin high environmental cost as a reason of the move after months of being bullish. And this is all FUD because Elon Musk 3 months ago did reply on a tweet after a tweet that was mentioning that Bitcoin is being mined by eco-friendly means. So I don't know what happened. In fact, the tweet, if you look at Elon Musk tweet, it wasn't typed, but it was like a photograph of a formal statement. Like he didn't write it, but he just posted it on. So we don't know what's going on, but behind the schemes, there's something going around behind the scenes. There's something in Tesla that don't like the fact that Tesla's in Bitcoin, and the pressure must have got on him. He on Wednesday, Musk said that Tesla still plans to use Bitcoin after the currency finds cleaner energy sources. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transition to more sustainable energy, he says. We're also looking for other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% Bitcoin's energy transaction. So that's what he tweeted, and the market plummeted. Bitcoin was at $57,000 and went all the way down to $45,000 and rebounded that night. But one man, one tweet basically overturned the whole gains. Everyone saw losses, and everyone pointed anger at Elon Musk for this FUD, because in reality, what he is mentioning is no fact. In fact, why did he get into Bitcoin in the first place? I'm sure he did it before investing his billions of dollars. I'm sure he should have researched and had this all figured out before investing in it. So you can see that Elon Musk, his hands were tied behind his back or something. This is really a crazy move. We do not understand what's going on, but unfortunately, this happened. But in the end, it actually shake off a lot of weak hands, so the market is more stable. And for the first time in this whole bull run, the Bitcoin actually went and touched the I think it was a 20-day average line. If you were a trader in the charts, so the Bitcoin dropped down to 47,000 and touching the 20 average line for the first time. The last bull run in 2017, Bitcoin touched this 20-day average line 7 times. So anyway, let's go to the next news. Same day, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin donated $1 billion worth of Shiba Inu coin, a Dogecoin spin-off, to COVID-19 relief fund in India. So Shiba Coin is a joke. Let's skip here. Shiba Coin is a joke that plays off from the popular Elon Musk Dogecoin, itself a parody that has gone mainstream in recent months. So what happened is the creators of this Shiba Coin gave about, I think it was about $1 billion worth of Shiba Coins to Vitalik for some reason. Vitalik took it, sold it, and donated $1 billion of Shiba Inu coin. Because of this, it caused the Shiba Coin market to crash, and with a lot of people losing money. But it again was for a good cause, and the reason why I'm sure he did is because this meme coin news thing is getting over all the hand, because people are investing in projects that has no fundamental uses and just give false hope of people to become rich. Anyways, that's that news, and let's continue on. So while all this thing happening, Cardano surged and went through surge. Cardano surged because of the rumors of investors looking at this Cardano blockchain as an eco-friendly alternative to Bitcoin for mining. In fact, on Twitter, the CEO of Cardano tweeted inviting Elon Musk to come to his farm to have informal discussions on how Cardano could offer him the eco-friendly blockchain solution that he was talking about last Monday. So there's rumor. So in fact here, it says right here in the article, Cardano founder Charles Hoskin, also the Ethereum co-founder, responded to Musk Thursday tweeting, "Are we finally going to have the Cardano conversation? Come to my farm. Got sweet tea and mini donkeys." So Elon Musk never replied back to him, but we'll see how that goes. And because of that, Cardano has spiked and is touched to $2 mark for the first time in its history. And Cardano is not even ready yet, but as soon as it gets ready and launches, we can see Cardano going up to $10 to $20 up. No financial advice, but keep an eye on Cardano. Okay, so while the next thing you know it, Elon Musk sent this tweet out. Let's have a drink here. Excuse me. Dogecoin. Musk tweeted about working with Dutch developers to improve system transaction efficiencies. He tweeted this out of the blue. What does it mean? Dogecoin is like Bitcoin in that it is ran by a system called proof of work, which takes a lot of computer mining and etc. So why would Elon Musk leave Bitcoin, which that's proof of work, to invest into another proof of work project, Dogecoin? But the thing is, he's been pumping it. It's almost like Dogecoin's become his own coin now. So I guess I don't know what to say about this, but because of that, Dogecoin at the time was at 38 cents, and I remember seeing that 38 cents, and I heard this statement. I actually bought into Dogecoin again, and now it's actually at 55 cents and slowly climbing. I think it's a little bit of a Elon Musk fatigue, or else Dogecoin should have been a little bit higher. But in the meantime, investors are getting back into Dogecoin, and I think Dogecoin's here to stay, So let's see what else here. Yesterday, Thursday, at the end of the Wall Street closing, Coinbase held its reports for the first quarter for the first time, and Coinbase unfortunately missed on top and bottom lines in the first earning report as a public company. And what happened was, let's read here for a second. Coin, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the U.S., missed analysts' expectation on top and bottom line in Q1 2021 earnings report, its first ever as a public company. So revenues was at 180 billion versus 181 billion expected. It's a little bit, but Wall Street don't care. Earnings per share 305 versus 309. It was really close, but it's not much. But the problem of what Coin was that most of its revenue comes from the fees it charged from its users, and speculators were hoping that Coinbase could evolve and start adding different streams of revenue to increase its market value. One thing they did miss was not having Dogecoin offered on the exchange. While Robinhood and other places quickly took advantage of the Dogecoin craze and raised billions of dollars of speculative investments, Coinbase still reluctantly added them, holding their feet, and because of that, they missed out on billions of dollars of potential earnings, which would have helped the first report. On Kramer, that's the show yesterday, the CEO was on it, and she did mention that Coinbase does plan to add Dogecoin to their inventory in the coming weeks. So that, of course, helps the coin prices right now as we look at it. Okay, so let's go to the next news. A little bit late, but on May 13th, yesterday, a new tweet from Elon Musk. We're getting tired of this guy, but look. Now he tweets, "Don't panic, too late, the market crash." So much people lost a lot of gains because of that tweet. But again, he's trying to retract, he should have thought of this before, you know? Anyways, that's that tweet. And that basically is the end of the week of Elon Musk. Okay, so meanwhile, while I've been out and about, I haven't been recording, I've been looking into airdrops, and this is what I've been doing is the Venus token airdrop. So tomorrow, or between tomorrow, Saturday, or Monday, on block number 7479562, there will be an airdrop for everyone who owns Venus token holders. So they'll get 1,000 this new coin VRT per one Venus coin. So I've been helping my friends out and trying to prepare for this airdrop. So I'm looking forward to this. So I'll be reporting time to time if I find some interesting airdrops. If you want to look at it, you can check this out on Twitter on the Venus Protocol page. But it's happening in the next few hours, so take advantage of it. It's free money. Anyway, this is the weekly, bi-weekly, or the 2 weeks report. Bitcoin airline report. I'm sorry I haven't been coming out too much. It's been very busy and trying to set up my classes and also looking for airdrops and some other ways of earning income as my airlines continue to wait to start to open up again. Anyway, I'm Lennon John. This is Bitcoin Airlines, and I hope you will take off to the moon. Take care.